Hi learners, welcome to Kickstart Learning. We all love gardening, but do you know the names of all the gardening tools? Let's find out. Shovel, spade, garden fork, hand trowel, hand fork, loppers, pruning shears, hedge trimmer, garden scissors, wheelbarrow, edger, rake, hoe, garden hose, watering can, sprinklers, soil tester, soil thermometer, soil pH meter, garden gloves, knee pads, seed spreader, garden twine, leaf blower, garden cart, garden bed, plant clippers, plant tray, pruning saw, lawn mower, lawn aerator, grass shears, weed puller, garden sprayer, fruit picker, berry picker, bulb planter. Good job learners! That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.